Hello everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, My Name is Beck, popping in today to show you a happy mail that I created back in March for EmmaLouLoves and EmmaLoves Pink Stationery on Instagram. So EmmaLouLoves here on YouTube and EmmaLoves Pink Stationery on Instagram. So these stickers that you can see me playing around here, it says M's Brown Bear. She created this brown bear and she wanted a couple of stickers made of him, so I made her a sheet of stickers using my Cricut, and I sent them off to her in this happy mail. So this happy mail got sent back in March. I think it was the 8th of March I sent it, and it's now the 13th of April. So I've obviously had this footage on my SD card and I haven't done much about it. So I don't know what to call what I'm making here. It's basically a flat mail with a couple of pockets on. So you'll have to let me know if you can come up with any names for me. So I'm using a range called, it's Uniquely Creative, that's the brand. And the range is called Gums and Roses. How cute is that name? Gums and Roses. So it's an Australian collection, I guess you could say, because it's obviously got eucalyptus gums and a little koala bear. We've got there are other creatures as well around. So there's a platypus and wombat, I think, on the other pieces of paper. So this white piece of paper here you can see with the roses, that actually has that's a leftover piece from the the garden journal I made myself. So I'm just laying it out on the wooden background and placing the stickers where I needed them to be, and then placing the actual pocket down. And then I am sticking both the pockets with washi so that I can come around with my sewing machine and make sure that I get a nice edge all the way around. Yes, so you'll have to tell me if you come up with a name. I used a rose pink thread all the way around, and I'm just going to tie off the ends here. So I tie off the ends just by doing a couple of knots in a row, and then I just snip it, but I leave a couple of threads just loose and make sure that they look cute on the side. So that is M's Brown Bear that I've popped in. I'm including these stickers here because they had monstera leaves and they had beautiful flowers that I knew that Em would love. I got these botanical tags recently, so I gave her a few of those because there's so many of them. When I put them in, I saw that the white was showing, so I turned them around so that they looked prettier. Now you might recognize this. This is the macrame leaf that Em and I did. Well, she did her own version and then I took on the challenge of doing her Sunday series. And then I've put in a butterscotch latte as well. Now those two items actually get taken out, unfortunately, because this is such a beautiful flat mail that when I went to put it through the gauge, the postal gauge that I have, unfortunately the envelope wouldn't go through the large letter slot, which is only 20 millimeters for us. And so when I worked out how much it would be for me to send the macrame leaf as a joke and the butterscotch latte, it worked out to be over $20. I think it was $22, $23. So I was like, not going to be sending those. Sorry, Em. So I'm sorry if this disappoints you now, because now you get to see what you were going to have. So I do include that in my letter, I think. Did I include that in my letter, Em? You'll have to let me know. So I'm finding a little sticker here that says, "See the beauty all around you," which I think Em does quite regularly. And yes, so I used some wax seals. I used the With Love one there because I change it about a bit, but I end up going back to the With Love with the little tiny twig out of it. I think it's cute. And so I glued that down with a glue dot, but I think when I bring them in, you'll see, I think I used permanent glue dots. So Emma, I'm so sorry if that has caused you any trouble in trying to take those off of the card or off of the front of the mail. Who knows? You might have actually kept this mail as it is. I think, did you tell me that you've used it for something? You have to tell me in the comments. So I did some wax seals recently with dried flowers, and so those are my little collection of wax seals. And also the packaging that you see here with a card is actually from somebody else's goodies. I just loved the card and the packaging so much that I actually kept them to reuse for somebody else's goodies. So there you go. That's definitely, is it upcycling or recycling to its fullest? Us crafters have to stick together, you see. So yes, definitely permanent glue dots. The purple ones are definitely permanent. So I'm terribly sorry, Em, if this has ripped the paper or ruined the wax seals in any way trying to take these off. So I really love these papers. It was just super duper cute. That little koala bear, she is just sat there so gorgeously, and I thought Em would really love her too. I wonder what we should call her. She's a koala bear. Isn't there actually one that's called Dinky? Is it Dinky the koala bear? The Australians will have to let me know. Is it Dinky? She looks quite dinky. She's cute. If you come up with a name for her, leave it down in the comments below. Talking of that, while you're here, if you want to like this video, if you like what I've created for Em, and leave me a comment about the koala bear, and also whether you like Em stickers with the brown bear and whether she should sell those in her Etsy store. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, looks like I'm adding stickers at this stage. Alright, see you guys. Bye!